Everyone wants healthy, beautiful and clean skin without blemishes. However, skin color is lost due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to whitening and brighten the skin in a natural way. First, take 2 tablespoons gram flour in a bowl. Gram flour works as a great ingredient to remove excess sebum from the skin along with unclogging pores. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt. The lactic acid in yogurt, along with its abundant nutrients, can help exfoliate and moisturize the skin, tighten skin pores, manage dandruff, soothe itching, and nourish the skin and hair. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which can help in lightening dark spots on the skin. You can try spot treatment and rub lemon juice on the affected area for a few seconds. Once dry, rinse the area with cool water. Repeat this process every day to fade the spots. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, it may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is because humectants draw moisture from the skin without replacing it. Add 3 tablespoons rose waters. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.